welcome back. It's Monday. Let's do Come Monday by Jimmy Buffett. I'm on a 6-string. I am capoed on the 1st fret. If you want to make it like the record, if not, you can just take the capo off and just play open string. Oh, no capo. Okay. Got all my stuff here. Got my bass pedal, a bass stomp box to add some rhythm, and the description of that is in the description down below. So let's start off with the intro. The intro is just a G sus vamp, which is just a repeated phrase as you're waiting for something to come in. All right, introducing, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jimmy Buffett. All that is just a 3-finger G, okay, a 3-finger G chord, 1, 2, 3. And you just take your index finger and go to the B string, stretch it way over, and go, and you hammer on the 1st fret. Hit the G. Or you can do this, if you get advanced. G sus to G. Okay, and so now we're at the 1st verse. And because of copyright, I can't play the song just as it's recorded, so I'm going to break it down and just show you what the chords are. Oh, by the way, the right hand, if you saw the other video, the Take It Easy video by the Eagles, it's basically the same right hand pattern. It's this bossa nova pattern. So if you can't do the hammer on, the sus, just play G. With the index finger, but anyway, if you can't do that, then you just play with straight cowboy G. Okay. So now let's go on to the 1st verse. For the 1st verse is going to be G heading up to C, San Francisco, D for the Labor Day weekend show, back to G. I've got my C, Hush Puppies on. I guess D never was meant for glitter and rock and roll. And the transition, A minor and honey. D, I didn't know. D, oh, I'm sorry, C, didn't know. D, that I'd be D7, you so, that's D7. Okay, so again, up to San Francisco. I've got my Hush Puppies on. And the transition. Honey. And now we're to the chorus. Okay, the chorus is, come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be D, holding you tight. Here's a little transition here, a little transition back to the intro. I spent G, 4 lonely, B minor, C, D, and I said C, want you back by my side. I spent let's see. And honey, I didn't know that I'd be missing you so. And the chorus, C, G. Come Monday, I'll be D, holding you tight. I've spent 4 lonely B minor, C, D, and I just want you D by my side. And you're back to the vamp, and then you're back to the second verse. Yes, it's been quite a summer. Okay, so you repeat that whole thing. The intro, the verse, and of course the chorus. And now you come to the bridge. Bridge adds a couple of chords. It adds the old A major 7, which is just your regular 3-finger A chord. But take your index finger and go down 1 fret. Very 70s chord. So it's A, I can't help it, honey, which is going to be a D major 7, 2nd fret. Okay. Okay, so it's going to be here. What are the words here? I can't help it, honey. You're that much part of me now. I'm gonna keep going. Remember that night in Montana when we said there was no room for a D doubt. Then the little guitar solo. Back to the last verse. I hope you're enjoying the scenery. Okay. I just can't wait to see you again. And the chorus again. Come Monday, it'll be all days, and I just want you back by my side. I spent 4 lonely days round LA haze, and I want you back by my F side. And then on the open G. Okay. Of course, you can stop and start the video whenever you want to slow things down, but that's the bedrock chords and rhythms to Come Monday. Again, you're going to do it in one singular style, and in the right hand, it is that. It's that. Take it easy. Except you're doing. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and again, I do several videos a week, and I'm building the channel, so please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and so you get notified, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good day.